अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर, कैसे हैं आप लोग? खैरियत से हैं? आई एम डॉक्टर जावेद मेमन, dermatologist from Karachi. Today I will discuss about some facts of fungal infection, why the fungal infection is more common in Pakistan and is spreading day by day. One of the most important causes is the poor hygiene and irrational use of the medicine. You know, the fungal infection is a very common in our part of the society because we live in very poor hygiene, overcrowding. That's why it's a very contagious and it's spreading from man to man. कहने का मकसद ये है कि इस फंगल इन्फेक्शन को कैसा रोका जा सके, क्योंकि आजकल इसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा जो है पेशेंट का फोकस भी है और लोग बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हैं. When we see in our OPDs, the patients come with very severe infection, even spreading all over the body. So one thing we should keep in mind, whenever a person gets the fungal infection, he should consult with the proper dermatologist, not taking medicine itself or himself or herself, because the self-medication is one of the you can say the bitter truth of the society. People don't go in first instance to the doctor. They purchase the medicine from the medical store and applying on their body. This is a very irrational and it's a very harmful for the patient. Second thing is what we see, there's the resistance to the medicine. The most common medicine like we use in our practice, they are very much become resistant, not in Pakistan but in our part of the world like India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, like that countries, because the irrational use. So what we should do, please, we should consult with the doctor, the dermatologist, nearby dermatologist, listen the advice by him and the proper taking medicine. Number 2, what we should not do. First, we don't apply medicine by taking from any friend or the pharmacy, and do not use the steroid. Whenever you apply the steroid, it suppresses the activity of the fungal infection, but again it comes with a rebound phenomena. So it's very important to understand this problem, because in our society it's become very much increasing number, and people are facing not only their economical problem but also they have in a depression, state of the depression because of the resistance to treatments. So my message to all my viewers and the general practitioners and my fraternity, that is dermatologists, please not only treat the patient but also educate the patient. Thank you.